guys, thanks for joining Fishhook. We're here with Jack, and we are on our Sushi War campaign. Today, we're going to try a China buffet and grill at Indian Lakes, Hendersonville, Tennessee. Never been here. I've got reservations about any China buffet, but we're going to give it the benefit of the doubt. So come on in and join us. All right, we are now going to have a China buffet lunch at Indian Lakes in Hendersonville. And let's see what they've got here. Delicious crab.
Dude, come here, come with this.
Yes. Jack is excited, I can tell.
Salmon. There's some salmon. Look at that.
Delicious.
Yeah, let's see what it is like.
Oh, look at that. I love those crabs, the shells.
Oh, they'll bend out.
And very nice. Looks very fresh and very clean. Very, very nice. Hopefully, we're going to have a good lunch. And down here we have our sushi station. Here we go. Jack, what are you feasting on?
Getting one of each. A little bit of everything.
Yeah, it looks good. Nice assortment here of everything.
Alright, this is the first time we've ever done like an Asian buffet where there's sushi on Sushi Wars. We've always went to sushi restaurants, but not like Asian buffets. This is an Asian buffet. So before we eat this, I'm gonna have Charles do prayer because we definitely need it. So I grabbed a few different sushi, so we're gonna just try one, and they were in a cool environment, over ice in a refrigerated area. That's what we asked for to keep the seafood good. Okay, so let's just try this out. That was good. We'll talk outside.
You're not in the video.
Same reason you're going.
Just shut up and watch.
Same reason you're surfing incognito.
Yes. Yes.
All right, so what are you starting off with there?
Well, I'm trying some of the different sushis. I love mushrooms. I can't help it. And then they've got shrimp cooked and some raw shrimp. So I'm gonna try the cooked first, and has the imitation crab meat. So let's try the shrimp. It's almost like a lobster sauce. I know how it's supposed to taste. Yeah, it tastes not too bad. I mean, it's not outstanding, but...
All right, now since we're doing Sushi Wars, grab one of those sushis and let's see what it tastes like. Yes, yummers.
This one I think is salmon. You can tell it's salmon. So let's see. Salmon with cream cheese, no comparison. This won't even be entered into Sushi Wars. This is not even a runner-up.
Don't start laughing, dude. Let's be polite.
Sorry.
You can't be laughing while I'm filming in the middle of this restaurant. They're gonna kill us.
When you go to a buffet, there's no specialties. It's a jack of everything. But usually the cooked dishes are pretty decent, from chicken, pork, and shrimp. So,
Do we know what the restrooms are, just in case we need one? We might need one.
I'm gonna go back and go find something I like. This episode may change from Sushi Wars to like Chicken Wing Wars or something. Well, guys, thanks for joining.
Sorry, I didn't mean to give away the ending.
So this is the definition of an armpit licker. It's when the food is so bad that you gotta lick your armpit to get the flavor out of your mouth. I have bad breath right now just from the food. The only thing good was imitation crab. The only good seafood in the building was imitation. It wasn't even real. It was imitation crab. That was the best dish. There was a film. The reason why I spit that fish out, I didn't want to swallow it because there was a film on the salmon. I can't talk anymore. Well, I have to concur with my buddy. I would probably put a new name on this, but I don't think I could do it on the air, what I want to call it. I'm not coming back. I didn't even eat hardly any of the food. I tasted enough to know, bad choice,
we need to go find a real good buffet that serves real good food. This is not the place to go.
Dude, I have some good news.
Yes.
This parking lot has 2 care units. Woo! Let's go visit one of them.
All right, I'm ready.